In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message someone on Pinterest. First, open your browser and go to pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed into your account so you have access to all the features we're about to use. Once Pinterest loads, head to the home page. You can do this by clicking the home icon at the top. This brings you to your main feed where you'll see pins tailored to your interests. From your home feed, pick a pin that's posted by the person you want to contact. Click the pin to open its details. This page shows the image description and information about who created or saved the pin. If you don't immediately see the profile information, simply scroll down a little. Look for the creator's profile name or avatar. Clicking that will take you directly to their profile page. On their profile, look for the message button. It's typically near the top of the profile alongside options like follow. If you don't see a message option, it may be because the user has restricted messaging or Pinterest has limited communication for that account type. In that case, you can consider following them or engaging with their content, but for now we'll continue with profiles where messaging is available. Click message to open a chat window. You'll see a text box where you can compose your message. Keep your note concise, polite, and specific about why you're reaching out. Whether you're asking a question about a project, complimenting their work, or requesting permission to share something. If it helps, reference the pin that led you to them so they immediately know the context. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive information and steer clear of spammy or promotional language. Pinterest's community guidelines favor genuine, helpful conversations. When your message looks good, click send. Depending on the recipient's settings, your message may go to their inbox or message requests. If you don't get a reply right away, that's normal. Many creators receive a lot of messages. Give it some time and consider a polite follow-up later if it's appropriate. That's it. You went to Pinterest, opened your home feed, chose a pin, navigated to the creator's profile, clicked message, and sent a clear, respectful note. If you ever want to revisit the conversation, open your Pinterest messages to see your chat history and continue the thread. With these steps, you can confidently reach out to creators, collaborators, or brands on Pinterest while keeping your communication friendly and professional.